Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by unlocking your phone and opening settings to find Mobile Hotspot. Tap Mobile Hotspot and enable the service with the toggle switch. Next, set a recognizable SSID name such as Jio Hotspot for easy identification. Create a strong WPA2 password between 8 and 16 characters to protect your connection. Finally, select the frequency band. Choose 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for faster local speeds. Save changes before exiting settings to ensure the hotspot is active and visible. On the client device, open Wi-Fi settings and scan for available networks. Tap the SSID named Jio Hotspot and then enter the WPA2 password you created. Confirm the connection and verify internet access by loading a simple web page. Return to your phone to view connected device names and MAC addresses in the hotspot menu. For reliable performance, limit active devices to between 5 and 10 at one time. Disconnect unfamiliar devices immediately and change the password if you suspect unauthorized use. Monitor your mobile data usage inside settings to avoid hitting your Jio plan cap. Enable the data limit toggle or configure alerts when you reach a specified amount like 1 GB. Set an automatic hotspot timeout to turn off the hotspot after an activity for added security. Consider enabling power-saving mode or reduce screen brightness while tethering to save battery. If you plan to share internet for over 30 minutes, plug the phone into a charger to prevent rapid battery drain. Regularly update your phone software to keep hotspot features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.